Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mariah May. I'm a British pro wrestler from the UK who goes by the name The Glamour, and I make YouTube videos. So for today's video we are doing an Opoly haul. This is following up from the last video I posted where I got some really cute stuff from the So Cosy collection. I'll drop some links down below because I've actually unboxed, reviewed and tried on the stuff before. But basically Opoly released So Cosy, which was a really cute fluffy kind of loungewear set. They were little two pieces, like a small little top, vest top, crop top kind of deal. And then long trousers, cycling shorts and cardigans, and they were really sweet, very simple, but I absolutely loved them. I got so much use out of them. They washed really well and I've got crazy use out of them. So they actually released some new So Cosy stuff and it's slightly different. It's got little buttons on it. It's kind of like booty shorts, not cycling shorts, which is a little bit more flattering in my opinion, and little cute socks. So I absolutely loved it. I've been such a big fan of the So Cosy collection, and they released some new So Cosy stuff which I absolutely loved. I've actually unboxed the pink one, which I'll link below, and I got the white as well. I mean, pink and white is Mariah May. That is my colours, that's my scheme. It's me, right? So I got some stuff and I thought it'd be really cool to unbox it for you guys, show you guys it, look at the material, look at the quality. I think it's so cute. It's like my favourite collection, but they've added detailing into it a little bit more, something going on, which I really like. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got. I got so scared when I opened it, the socks went in there. This is actually what I bought it for. The first thing that I got are these really cute white little shorts. I mean, just look at them, they're so adorable, they're so crisp, like such a cute, nice little pair of shorts. These aren't as like fluffy as the other So Cosy stuff, I feel. I don't know if it's just this set, because I didn't really notice it with the pink set, but they don't feel quite as fluffy, which I'm not mad about. Like, they're still really soft, like a little teddy. So I absolutely love that. It's got a super thick elasticated waist, which I love because it nips you in or gives you a muffin top. It really depends what day of the week it is for me. And then it's actually got, which I love, a little bit of elastic at the bottom, because then it kind of really nips it in and it stays tight. Because the one thing I'll say about the cycling shorts, when you sit down in them, especially if you've got big guys like me, they kind of stretch, and when you wash them they go back to normal, they go back to as good as new. But when you're sitting in them and you wear them, then they're like kind of baggy, they just don't look right. So with these, because they're shorter, I don't feel like you'll have that issue as much. And also I love the fact that they've got this at the bottom. I think that's really nice because it keeps them structured. And of course yeah, okay, so I went for an extra small. I go for an extra small on all the So Cosy stuff. Normally with Opoly I go for a small, but with the So Cosy collection it comes up quite big. I don't know if that's purposeful, like it's meant to be baggy, but on the models it's tight. So I have to go down to an extra small. Normally I'm a small. And so I went for an extra small in the top as well. And then here is the top, and it's just so sweet. It's got such a nice little bow on the front and I just think it's so precious. I've got a few things from Opoly lately that just have a little bow at the front and they're just so adorable. I absolutely love it. I think it's so cute, so dainty and sweet. And then obviously it's got that really nice little hem, just like on the shorts, so it all matches and comes together really well. And then it's kind of low cut at the back. You could wear a bra. I wouldn't really. I mean, it's loungewear anyway, so you probably wouldn't wear a bra because like that ain't comfy. Yeah, so it's really sweet. I absolutely love the bow at the front. I just think it's so nice. They're really, they get me every time. Like, I don't know why, I can't resist, but I just love Opoly. All the clothes I've got pretty much recently have been from Opoly, apart from one like stuff from Fashion Nova because it was super cheap, it was on sale. But other than that, literally I live for Opoly. They just keep pulling me in. The little bows at the front I just think are so dainty and precious and cute, so I love that. And then the final thing, which is definitely my favorite, is these really sweet soft little Opoly socks. So these came in a 2 to 5 or like a 6 to something, and I'm a UK 5, so I went for these, but obviously like I'm right at the end of the scale. But I think they'll be super stretchy because it's like a really soft kind of material. I'm only really gonna wear these obviously like with the set. I'm not gonna wear them out or anything just because I don't want to spoil them, but they're really sweet. They've just got the Opoly logo in black. I don't know why. I mean, I feel like they're overpriced for socks, but they just pull you in with the whole set and like I can't resist. Well, my boyfriend got me a Snuggie once and it comes with the little Snuggie socks and they're just so cute. I just love socks like that. Everyone loves socks. You know when everyone's like, oh, you get socks for Christmas and it's so annoying. I'm like, I fucking love getting socks for Christmas. Like, first of all, I lose all my socks. I don't know where they go. I lose all my socks, so I love socks. Socks are my favorite, they're so cute. But yeah, they're these cute little soft socks, and then they've got the little elastic at the top as well, which is really nice. So it all kind of matches, also super practical. I know that's the main reason, but it all matches and pulls together really well. But that is what I got from the Opoly So Cosy version 2 collection, I guess. I'm gonna put money on this not being the last video just because they have like violet and lime and they're so gorgeous. I think it sold out quite quickly, but Hopefully they restock because I'm absolutely loving the So Cosy stuff. I'm getting so much use out of it. I think that set of stuff is so sweet. I love that it's a little less practical with just like a bow at the front holding it together, but I do think it's really, really cute and I really like that. That's what I got. Let me know down below if you got anything from the So Cosy collection and what you thought of it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to turn notifications on for more videos just like this. Thanks so much for watching.